Okay, good morning students. Now welcome to the class, and as you know that we are doing the revision, so still we will continue with the same thing. Okay, and today you will write in your copy and then you will solve and then you will tell me the answer. Clear? So take out your copy and start writing in the copy. Start writing in the copy. Question number 1. Convert. Some conversions I am giving you. Quickly solve and tell me the answer. Convert 314 meter to decimeter. (18 kilometer to meters) and 23 centimeter to millimeter. Start solving. (6 kilometer 416 meter to meter). (1 meter), yes, 1 centimeter to, no, start solving. Solve and then quickly tell me the answers. Write in the chat box. Better you write the answers in the chat box. Yes, very good. Very good. Zoya, Debashmi, you all are giving the correct answer. You all are giving the correct answer. But how you have solved the first one? Since, yes, since 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter, therefore 314 meter is equals to 314 into 10 decimeter. So our answer is 3140 decimeter. This answer you are getting. Now for the second one, what you will write? Since 100, it is 1000, not 100. Yes. Exactly. So the answer is 18,000 meter, not kilometer. It is meter. Since 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, therefore 18 kilometer is equals to 18 into 1000, that is 18,000 meter. We are converting from kilometer to meter. Next one, number 3. Number 3, what you will write? Since 1 centimeter is equals to, exactly, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Therefore 23 centimeter is equals to 23 into 10. Exactly, 230 millimeter. Now fourth one will be, since, yes, Since 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, therefore 6 kilometer and 416 meter is also there. So you will multiply 6 into 1000 and you will add 416. That will give you 6416 meter. The answer is 6416 meter. Now solve the fifth one. 1 meter, 1 centimeter. Solve and then tell me the answer. Yes. Yes. Since 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, therefore 1 meter 1 centimeter is equals to plus so this is our answer. I think you have completed. Can I write the second question? Can I write the second question? Okay. The second question is the difference between two numbers the difference between two numbers is 4937 if the greater number is 30,451, what is the smaller number? The question is the difference between two numbers is 4937. If the greater number is 30,451, what is the smaller number? Here the difference is given and one of the greater number is given. You have to find the smaller one. So what you will do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. What you will do? You have to subtract. Quickly subtract and tell me the answer. Write in the chat box. Better you write in the chat box. Side. Okay. Everyone, solve it. Subtract and write the answer in the chat box. Zoya, you will not unmute yourself. Mute your microphone, Zoya. Yes, directly you subtract and write the answer in the chat box. What will be the answer? Only Deboshmi has written the answer. Others? Others also write the answer. Ritoja, it is wrong. Nilshri also wrong. Whatever you have written, Nilshri. When you will subtract 30,451 minus 4,937. Shaurya, subtract properly, it is wrong. Subtract. Adrija also, it is wrong. The answer is 25,514. 25,514. 4,937. Subtract 4,937 from 30,451. It is 25,514. Now write question number 3. Question number 3. I am rubbing the board. The cost of 1 kg iron is rupees 12. The cost of 1 kg iron is rupees 12. Then find the cost of 12 kg iron. Then find the cost of 12 kg iron. Now do it. Do it. The cost of 1 kg iron is rupees 12. Then find the cost of 12 kg iron. What will be the cost of 12 kg iron? Quickly find it out. Devushmi, why it is 264? It is wrong. See what you will write. Since cost of 1 kg iron is equals to rupees 12. Therefore, cost of 12 kg iron is equals to, what you will do? Addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. What you will do? You have to multiply, because 1 kg is given, 12 kg you have to find. That means minimum is given, maximum you have to find. So it will be 12 into 12. So multiply 12 into 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2, and 1 1s are 1. It is 144, not 244. So at the end you will write the answer that the cost of 12 kg iron is rupees 144. Is rupees 144. Okay. Now write the second question. Can I rub the board? All have completed the board. I want to write the second question. Okay. The second question. Write fast. Sorry, the fourth question. The fourth question. Okay. The cost of 100-liter diesel is rupees 3,500. Then what is the cost of 1 liter diesel? The cost of 100-liter diesel is rupees 3,500. You have to find the cost of 1 liter diesel. Quickly find it out. What you will do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. What you will do? Exactly. You will write, since cost of 100 liter of diesel is equals to rupees 3,500. Therefore, cost of 1 liter of diesel is equals to rupees 3,500 divided by 100. So what will be the answer? 2 zeros will be cancelled, and what is left? 2 zeros are cancelled. Only 35 is left. So the answer will be the cost of the cost of 1 liter diesel is rupees 35. The cost of 1 liter diesel is rupees 35. Completed? Okay, now write the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. This is a fill in the blanks. Question 5. This is just a fill in the blanks. Okay. 750 ml plus dash ml plus 100 ml is equals to 1 liter. Quickly solve it. 750 ml plus dash ml plus 100 ml is equals to 1 liter. Is equals to 1. Write the answer in the chat box. I want the answer in the chat box. I want the answer in the chat box. 750 ml plus dash ml plus 100 ml is equals to 1 liter. See, 750 ml plus 100 ml means 850. 850 ml plus dash will give you 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 ml. So 850 plus what will be 100 ml? Sorry, 1000 liter. 1000 ml. 850 plus what will be 1000? It is? Is it 250 or 150? Write in the chat box. Is it 250 or 150? It is 150. It is 150 ml. Okay. Yes, it is 150 ml, not 250. Ritoja. This is Ritika, not 250. It is 150 milliliter. Okay. So students, today up to this only, because you have to join your next class. Okay, so whatever we have done, you practice once more at home, and that's all for today. So bye all of you for today.